Hello friends, welcome back to the course. So we will now move on to the next level. We'll be building 3D objects using simple programming. So here you can see this is the program we used to make a square. Now we will use the same program to build a 3D object. Instead of drawing lines, we will start extruding. So instead of this drawing, we will go here and pick start extruding. Extrusion is a kind of drawing but in 3D. So we can extrude either line or we can extrude a curve. So let's start with line. And here we have to stop extruding. Okay, so we have done a very small change. Instead of drawing lines, we have started extruding lines. Let's see what kind of a square it builds. Let's run it. So you can see you have built a 3-dimensional square. See. With such a simple programming, we have built such a complex 3-dimensional object. So this is the power of programming. Now let's see how it is different from a curve. How curves and lines are different. Can you see that this is a bit curved at the edges? It has a curvature and it is not exactly a square, but it is curved at the edges. So this is the difference. Whenever you want to build something curvy, you will be using curves, you will be extruding curves, and whenever you want to build something very specific shape like a hexagon or a square, you will use simple lines. So let's get back to lines and let's build a hexagon. So we have to do it by 60 and let's run it. So you can see we have built a 3D hexagon and it looks so beautiful. So with this programming you can build anything you like. So we can now build a circle also. So let's build a circle. We'll use curve and we will keep this move as 1. And what we can do is we can repeat it 18 times at 20 degrees. But we have to reduce the wait time also. So we will keep the 0.1 and 0.1. Otherwise it will be a very long wait. So now let's try to run it. Let's see how it does. See, it has built such a beautiful circle. So it's a 3-dimensional object which it has built. And it's a perfect circle. You cannot see it in 2D mode. In 2D mode it seems like a tire, but it is a 3D object. Let's see how it looks in a wireframe. See, this is the wireframe. And you can see the beetle inside. So this is how you can build a tube, and in such a simple way you can build this tube. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.